When I was in college, research used to be a very tedious topic for me. But soon enough, it became a very exciting topic for me. So hello and welcome to the 4th episode of our course, Learning Research. I'm Pooja, and in this episode, we'll learn about the types of research. So on the basis of objective, research is of 5 types. Descriptive, correlational, explanatory, exploratory and experimental. On the basis of outcome, it is fundamental and applied, and on the basis of process, it is qualitative and quantitative. So on the basis of logic, it can be of 2 types, which is deductive and inductive, and on the basis of inquiry mode, it is of 2 types, which is structured and unstructured, and on the basis of idea, it is empirical and conceptual. So our first type of research is quantitative research. It is basically in numbers and it's also very objective. It is done superficially and it has a very deductive approach. Second is qualitative. It is subjective in nature. It includes a very deep, in-depth study, and it is inductive in approach. So our third type of research is inductive research. So it works towards being particular to generalization, and it works towards discovering something. Our fourth type of research is deductive research, and it works towards generalization to being particular, and it is basically about proving something. So our next type of research is descriptive research. In this, we'll collect the data and we'll analyze it, and we will present it as it is. So for example, we can say that girls do perform better in the studies. So it answers what? To answer why, we will move towards our next research, which is explanatory research, which actually explains that why girls perform better in studies. So the work of explanatory research is to answer why. So our next type of research is exploratory research, which is done to explore something or to gain new knowledge. It is also known as feasibility and pilot study research, and it is always done in the beginning. Our next research is experimental research, which is based on cause and effect. So these were the 7 major types of research we learned today, and in the next episode we'll learn about sampling and why it is so important. Till then, goodbye and take care, and if you like this episode, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.